Sibingelele kuphi nakuphi la kufinyelela khona lo mbukiso. Ngenza kwethu sicela ukuthi ni-subscribe, ni-like, ni-comment, ni-share futhi ne-video mangabe kufanelekile. Udaba-ke siniphathele lona namhlanje luthi-ke useyiphendulele yena lo bengumsakazi wokhozi FM emva kokuba kusabalale iy'nkulumo zokuthi uyisulele yena laphana emsakazweni ukhozi FM. Lezi ndaba-ke uyiveze lapha ekhasini lakhe lezokuxhumana uFacebook. Lapha bike khona ukuthi-ke kanti kwi-statement sakhe-ke ubike kanje uthi over the past few weeks various articles and social media narratives have circulated regarding my position at Ukhozi FM, including reports from newspapers we have long trusted, but which now appears to have been used as an advance certain internal narratives. It is therefore important that I set the record straight. Ukhozi FM did not renew my contract for the upcoming financial year. This is within the right, and I respect the organization's prerogative. However, the process and communication surrounding this decision raised serious concerns, including notable inconsistencies, which I formally escalated to SABC management. The metrics used to reach this decision are, in my respectful view, deeply concerning. I will refrain from detailing them, and it is frankly embarrassing that such considerations could be relied upon at management level. I say this in the interest of protecting the integrity of the SABC and Ukhozi FM brand I have proudly served for many years. Injalo-ke indaba mzakwethu, isona statement lesi esikhishwe uyena laphana obengumsakazi wokhozi FM uDJ Sigqemeza. Nokade-ke sengumsakazi isikhathi esithe asibeside kakhulu lapha kumsakazo ukhozi FM. Izinto efana njengalezi ngenza kwethu ziyaye zishiye angazi noma zothi trauma noma yini, but ukubona umsakazo osemdala ngale ndlela eshiya ngendlela engaqondakala emsakazweni ukhozi ofana nokhozi FM kuyaye kushiye nesilonda thina njengabalaleli bawo umsakazo. Cela ukuthi nihlale kanjena-ke ngenza kwethu nikwazi ukuthi-ke nithole ezinye iy'ndaba, nizosiza nje ngokusubscribe, nenze konke okufanelekile ukuze nizothola yonke i-content esiyiphostayo ngaso sonke isikhathi. Siyabonga kakhulu.